This is Vidyalakshmi Thaudam. Here we are going to discuss on Word 4 test. Word 4 test is a clinical test mainly used for assessing patients' degree of binocular vision such as diplopia, suppression or ARC. To start with the methods, the test can be performed by the examiner at two distance near 33 cm and distance at 6 meter. While testing for both distance, the patient has to wear red-green goggles. Ideally, the red filter will be placed in front of right eye and a green filter will be placed in front of left eye. Then a 4 light which is arranged in a diamond shape with red light at the top, 2 green lights at either side, left and right, and a white light at the bottom will be presented at near or distance. So after the test, the patient's response can be noted as 4 dots, 5 dots, 3 green dots or 2 reds. So in this figure, the patient is wearing red-green goggles and four lights which is arranged in a diamond shape which is shown in figure A will be placed at near or distance. So the patient's response may be 4 dots which is presented in B figure, 2 green light and a red light in at top and a combination of red and green light at the bottom. That indicates normal binocular response with no squint, or harmonious ARC where the patient has manifest squint but reports 4 dots. So in the last figure, E figure, the patient might respond 5 dots. That indicates diplopia, and diplopia can be uncrossed diplopia or crossed diplopia. Uncrossed diplopia will be seen in case of esotropia, where the red light will be seen in front of right eye and the green light will be seen towards the left side. And in case of crossed diplopia with exotropia, red dots will be seen towards the left side of the green dot. And next, the patient might see 3 green dots which is seen in the D figure, and it indicates suppression of the right eye. And the last figure, that is C figure, the patient sees 2 red dots and this indicates suppression of left eye. Thank you.